What happened with Shia LaBeouf's Mardi Gras arrest? 2026. What happened with Shia LaBeouf's Mardi Gras arrest? The actor's recent guilty plea and probation are making headlines, and you need to know how this affects his career and public image right now. LaBeouf, known for his unpredictable behavior, recently pled guilty to battery charges stemming from a bar fight during Mardi Gras in New Orleans. His attorney described the incident as a mere Mardi Gras bar tussle, but the legal outcome is serious. LaBeouf will face 2 years of probation and must complete anger management training as part of his sentence. This incident has drawn significant public and media attention, reigniting discussions about the actor's personal challenges. The court ruling requires Shia LaBeouf to undergo a 2-year probation period alongside mandatory anger management classes. This represents a legal effort to address his behavior and prevent future incidents. Probation means he will be under supervision and must comply with court-imposed rules. Anger management training aims to help him control impulses that may lead to aggressive situations, a significant step given his past controversies. Shia LaBeouf's professional path has been rocky. Even before his Mardi Gras incident, the actor exited the production of the film Don't Worry, Darling during its early phase. His role was later taken over by Harry Styles. This recent legal trouble adds to a pattern that may affect his casting prospects and public reputation. The entertainment industry is watching closely how these events influence his future opportunities. Shia LaBeouf's guilty plea and probation sentence have generated a surge in public interest, with Google Trends in the U.S. showing search volumes exceeding 1,000 plus. Media outlets widely covered the story, emphasizing the actor's legal troubles at a highly visible moment during Mardi Gras. This intense spotlight demonstrates how celebrity legal issues captivate audiences and shape public discourse on accountability and celebrity behavior. For fans and followers of Shia LaBeouf, this legal development is more than tabloid fodder. The mandated probation and anger management could represent a critical turning point, potentially leading to better personal decisions and a more stable public image. However, the incident also serves as a reminder of how quickly a moment of anger can have lasting consequences. If you follow celebrity culture or are interested in mental health awareness, this case highlights the importance of accountability and rehabilitation. Shia LaBeouf's Mardi Gras arrest and guilty plea underline how quickly personal issues can spill into public and legal troubles. His 2-year probation and anger management training might lead to real change or further challenges. For you, it's a story about accountability in the spotlight and how actions affect not just careers but personal lives. Stay tuned to Daily Q&A for updates and subscribe to catch the latest trending stories.